Ang delay din sa project is causing damage to the public, no, to the community, for which the public officials involved in this, from the congressman to the engineers of the DPWH, and also the concerned LGU officials, should be held liable. No, they should be charged before the ombudsman for corruption. No, because effect yun siya of very poor planning. No, and I think there should be accountability for this. There should be liability for this. No, so those behind this project, who failed to plan properly, failed to execute properly, and this failure, which currently karon Bombo, si kinsa ni si Bombo Edna, this failure on the part of our public officials is causing and will cause injury, undue injury to the general public. No, so there should be liability, there should be accountability for this. There should be an investigation by the ombudsman, and there should be cases to be filed in court. And if found guilty, these public officials should go to jail. No, mapriso gyud dapat. Because there are these are crimes, these are offenses that they have committed, and these offenses, there is a corresponding penalty for this. Okay. So muna akong reaction to this.
Okay, Attorney Gerard, ingon nila, di ba mention poor planning, ingon nila kaniadto is pagkalot daw sa diha sa mabuha isa to ang project diha is mabaw pa lang adunay tubig na sinungdan nga gi-change nila ang ilang plano ug mao daw ang reason why until now supposed to be 2024 ba man, why until now wala na human og from 600 million budget nahimo lang 800 million, Attorney Mosquera, sir.
No, yeah, well, regarding the amounts, no, kanang nadugang, dapat i-charge na sa mga public officials who are liable. From the legislator, from the congressman, to the district engineer of DPWH, to all the employees of DPWH involved, to the LG officials involved. Dapat sila magbayad ana kanang additional cost because that is their accountability. No? Kung dili sa ilang negligence, gross neglect, and failure to plan, that additional amount should not have been incurred. No? In other words, nakagastos ta kining kwarta na nakadugang og gastos of taxpayers' money because of their negligence, gross negligence, and failure to plan. Let me tell you my impression, Bombo Edna, no? If they did their homework, no? Appeal na dili ang DPWH, City Engineer's Office, and all these people in the DPWH. Dapat na ibawaan nila nga kining Mabuhay Road since time immemorial agihan gyud siya sa tubig, no? Those of us who are old enough to remember, no, when I was growing up in Jensan, and there are a lot of people daga naminaw karon who grew up in Jensan the same way that I did, no, nga nakaagi diha sa Mabuhay Road. Kanang Mabuhay Road sa una kasagingan na siya, kasagingan. Unya, pag nag-ulan, mahimo na siya nga suba. Mag-flash flood diha, gikan sa bukid, mag-flash flood diha mo agi, mo-overflow Silwan River. That road becomes an artery, diha mo agi ang tubig. Pag-overflow sa Silway River, diha mo agi, mo-flood na, mahimo na, ma-flash flood na diha mo na. I can remember during that time, mo agi mi diha, when I was in high school, elementary, i-warningan yun mi nga dili magpagabi diha kay kung mag-ulan mahimo na siyang suba, mag-flash flood diha. Okay, all these people had to do was to ask to do research, and they will know nga kanang Mabuhay Road agihan yun na siya sa tubig. Dapat may bawon sa nila nga ang water table in that area taas kaayo, right? And that was the wrong design for that infrastructure project. Now, nga naman nang ingani Usa ka ginabuhat diya sa DPWH mo po, Edna, and this they do all the time, no? Kining feasibility study nga ginabuhat nila, how Xiaomi, ilan yung ginahatag sa ilang mga dummies, pero ang gabuhat, sila-sila lang sa sulod, no? So, dili tinuod. So, dako manggod ang budget sa mga feasibility studies. Kini manggod ang starting point, kining research for a particular project. No? Diya, mahibawaan unsa ang specs, asa ang location, unsa klase nga infrastructure, unsa klase nga budget, unsa klaseng elements sa project. But the problem is, they award this contract to do their feasibility study to their dummies. Kunuhay na sila'y tagaan sa gawas, nga expert kunuhay, but in reality, sila lang sa sulod nagabuhat-buhat.